Camila Cabello just debuted a bob on Instagram and explained why she's been taking a step back from social media. But before we give you all the details, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any updates. Okay, so Camila shocked fans on Insta by debuting a look that was seriously different from her super long waves that we've all come to know and love. She shared a selfie with a super short bob, and honestly, we're totally obsessed. She captioned the eye-catching photo with a message to her fans about taking a step back from social media. She wrote, "Hello, usually when I take these breaks from social media, it's because I need some space or time away from it. I think it's healthy to know when you need time for yourself. That's been my biggest thing I've worked on this year so far, is to listen to my intuition and what my mind and body need. When I feel overwhelmed or overstimulated, I'm like, okay, I need to give myself a little room to slow down, but I miss and love you guys." She went on to explain that she's currently in London working on Cinderella and that she's having the time of her life. She also revealed that this photo is actually from a music video that's coming out, quote, very soon. That's the kind of update we're here for. On that note, that's all the news I have to share with you guys. What did you think of her shorter look? Any predictions for what music video is coming out next? Let us know down in the comments, and before you go, be sure to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and then click right over here for another new video. As always, I'm your host, Fiona Zaring. You can follow me on socials at Fiona Zaring, and I'll see you guys next time.